Alright, y'all, we back in the gym. Just got finished warmed up. We about to get into these squats today. This is gonna be the last time that I mention my back, because while we want a nice little side quest, about 7 to 8 weeks of recovering from my back injury, I can confidently say that it's feeling good now. So we're moving into a completely new era. We are preparing for my next powerlifting competition. That's gonna be in September. That is the USAPL Northeast Regionals. And so with this time that I have left, which at this point I think is like 8 or maybe 9 weeks, it's pedal to the metal for real, because I essentially lost 7 to 8 weeks of like actively getting stronger or whatever, because I was taking it easy with the exercises, wasn't really squatting or deadlifting for the full duration while I let my back recover. But now that I can squat and deadlift pain-free, it's time to push it. So again, this is gonna be the last time I mention my back. Cool little side quest, we over that shit now. So today's gonna be the first like actually challenging squat session that I do. My last squat session was fine, but again, it was, you know, kind of just me getting back into the groove of squatting. Now it's gonna be where I start to try to push it and challenge myself a bit. And every week after this is pretty much gonna be hard squat sessions for the most part. So I'm excited, y'all. Let's get into this shit. Alright, that is all for today, folks. Like I said, this is the start of me really pushing my squats again and deadlifts, but today's leg day was good. My legs feel back. I feel the strength in my lower body starting to return, so it's a solid session. And like I said, every session after this one is going to be just a tiny bit harder leading up to competition day. So we trying to get back, we trying to be stronger, trying to throw some shit around, throw some weight around. So I'm excited, y'all. I'll see you on the next workout.